Is your Pioneer Xumo TV randomly shutting off? This is a common issue with several potential causes. Let's troubleshoot the most likely problems step by step. First, let's check the power connection. A loose power cable is often the culprit behind unexpected shutdowns. Make sure the power cable is securely plugged into both the TV and the wall outlet. Try a different outlet to rule out power source issues. Next, check the sleep timer setting. Pioneer Xumo TVs have a sleep timer that automatically turns off the TV after a set time. To disable the sleep timer, go to Settings, then Screensaver, then Sleep Timer, and turn it off completely. Eco mode is designed to save energy, but can cause the TV to enter sleep mode unexpectedly. You should disable this feature in your TV settings menu. Finally, check the auto-off feature. By default, the TV turns off after 8 hours of inactivity, or after 15 minutes when there's no signal on HDMI, composite, or antenna inputs. To disable auto-off, go to Settings, then Device Settings, then Power Preferences, then Auto-Off, and set it to Off. These 4 troubleshooting steps should resolve most cases of your Pioneer Xumo TV turning off unexpectedly. Start with the power connection, then check your timer and power settings. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Pioneer Xumo TV turning off, the issue may be with HDMI CEC settings. This feature allows connected devices to control each other, which can sometimes cause unexpected shutdowns. To fix this, navigate to Settings, then Antenna and Inputs. Look for HDMI CEC settings and try toggling the HDMI CEC standby option. Turning off CEC can prevent other devices from inadvertently controlling your TV. A faulty remote control can also cause your TV to turn off unexpectedly. Stuck buttons, especially the power button, can send continuous signals to your TV. To fix remote issues, first check that no buttons are stuck by pressing each one. Clean the remote with a dry cloth and replace the batteries. If the remote is still unresponsive, try resetting and repairing it according to your user manual. If HDMI CEC and remote fixes don't work, try power cycling your TV. This involves completely disconnecting power to reset the internal systems. For more serious issues, try a hard reset by holding the power button on the TV itself for 30 seconds. As a last resort, a factory reset will restore all settings to default. This can also be done by holding the power button for 30 seconds. Always ensure your TV has the latest firmware by checking for software updates in the Settings menu. Firmware updates can fix bugs that cause unexpected shutdowns. If all troubleshooting steps fail, contact Pioneer Customer Support for professional assistance.